What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode. So this episode's a little late in coming. It's on the M109 Appreciation Day that I hosted at Glen, Burnie Motorsports. And I just wanted to give a shout out to everybody who showed up. We had I thought, a decent turnout for the first one. We had, I think, 13 or 14 M109s, and then obviously a few other bikes show up. And everybody that showed up was awesome. So many different personalities, and it was pretty awesome to see the personalities match the bikes these guys were riding, and ladies. So shout out to everybody that came out, and I just wanted to thank Harris and his wife Mary. They had a big part in it. Look Harris up on L&S Cycles. He's big into the M109. He's been working on them for over 10 years, and he knows them inside and out. He's given me great insight on them, and he's got great advice, and he's a straight up guy. He doesn't, I appreciate him because he doesn't beat around the bush. If something's wrong, he wants people to enjoy their bikes to the best, and he's helped out quite a few people. So, and everybody else was there. Feel free to tag yourselves in these videos and all that kind of stuff. I got to meet so many cool people, and I really look forward to having another event. Hopefully we'll have another one this year. We may have another one this year in a different location, but we'll see how that goes, and I hope to see everybody there. Hope you all enjoy these bikes, and we'll see you at the next one.